All right, let's dive into a problem that, let's be honest, drives almost every online seller crazy: the never-ending grind of getting organic traffic. We're going to take a look at a tool called Pinterest Pro Suite, which is built to do one thing: automate that whole process.
So let me ask you something, and I want you to be honest. Does your day feel like you're stuck on a hamster wheel? Finding content, writing the perfect description, pinning it, and then starting all over again, just to keep that traffic coming in? And look, this isn't some niche issue. It's the daily reality for pretty much everyone. Whether you're running a Shopify store, doing Amazon FBA, selling on Etsy, or even just trying to get eyes on your blog or affiliate site, the core struggle is exactly the same.
The thing is, it's not just a business tour, is it? It can totally take over your life, chaining you to your desk. That constant pressure to keep pinning, keep performing. Well, that's the exact problem that automation is supposed to fix. So, how in the world do you break out of that cycle without watching your traffic flatline? Well, the answer really comes down to one thing: smart, universal automation. The whole idea behind a tool like Pinterest Pro Suite is that it doesn't care what platform you're on. It's built to work with any business that has a link. It could be a product page, a blog post, an affiliate offer. Seriously, if it has a URL, this tool is designed to turn it into a constant stream of traffic from Pinterest.
Okay, now hold on. Before we go any further, we absolutely have to talk about the single most important thing when it comes to any automation tool: your account security.
This is the big one. Their entire security model is built on one simple, powerful promise: they will never ask for your password. That right there is a huge difference from a lot of other tools out there.
So let's break down how that actually works. On the left, you see the Pintest Pro model. It works by using the secure session that's already in your own web browser, the one you're already logged into. The key here is that all your data stays on your computer. Now, on the right, you have the more typical model where other tools need your password so they can run on their own external servers. And when your data leaves your computer, that's when it can be at risk. It's a really fundamental difference in how they approach security. All right, so with security covered, let's get to the fun part. The real reason you'd even consider this: winning back your time and escaping that feeling of total burnout. I mean, just look at this contrast. On the left, that's the grind we all know: hours of manual work, being stuck at your desk, and just that constant stress about traffic. The goal, on the right, is to completely flip that. Imagine having time for your family, for your hobbies, or, and this is the best part, just being able to sleep, knowing your marketing is still working for you in the background. And that's the real game changer, isn't it? A person can only work so many hours a day. You get tired, you need sleep, you want to take a vacation. But this software, it doesn't. It just keeps going, around the clock, 24/7, executing the exact strategy you told it to. So we've talked about security, we've talked about saving time. But is it a total headache to set up and use? Let's take a quick peek at the actual interface and how it works. So here it is. This is what you're looking at. It's all on one simple dashboard, and it even has multi-language support. Over on the left, you've got your settings where you can tell it when to work, and on the right is the main control center where you just hit start. Pretty straightforward. The whole process really boils down to 3 simple steps. First, you get all your product info, images, titles, and links organized in a basic Excel file. Second, you just load that file and your images into the software. And third, you hit start. That's it. The bot takes over and starts posting everything from your list one by one. Okay, last but not least, let's quickly cover how the licensing works, because they've set it up to be super clear and flexible. They've got a few different tiers to match wherever you are with your business. You could start with a 1-month plan just to test the waters, or if you're ready to go all in on automation, you can go for a year or even a lifetime license. And here's something I really appreciate. It's totally transparent. There are no sneaky auto renewals. There's a counter built right into the dashboard that shows you exactly how much time is left on your license, right down to the hour. No surprises, period. So, to wrap it all up, the big idea here is about making a choice, shifting from a manual, time-consuming process to a smart, automated system. It's really about deciding to systematize a repetitive task so you can free up your time for the stuff that actually grows your business. And that really leaves you with a question, doesn't it? At what point does automation stop being just an option and start becoming a necessity for real growth?